This is fun. Oh, there's Betty. Notice anything different? Maybe something shiny? It's okay to be jealous. Wow, she's so lucky. I like the finer things in life. Whoa! Let me have a look!
Wow, that's a huge diamond!
You're ruining the vibe. I wish I had a ring like that. I've got nothing. Oh, I almost forgot. I've got a gummy bear ring. It's too small. Did my fingers get fatter? Whoa, nah. The ring definitely shrunk. Get on my finger! What are you doing? Come on! My ring! It's escaping! Stop!
Time to take out the trash.
Well, I guess that's gone. Now what am I gonna do? The polymer clay! This'll solve everything! I should have thought of this earlier. I'll start by rolling it out. I want to make a sausage shape. Next I'll gently press it. I want to flatten it slightly. Now I'll place my finger at one end. I'll wrap the polymer clay over it and join the ends together. This'll be the perfect fit. I'll take a small piece of clay and stick it to the ring. I'll add a second piece. Then I'll add a little face.
Wow, so stylish. I want one.
Where did you get it? Hello? I have diamonds!
It's amazing!
Are you kidding me? This is so unfair. You'll never understand fashion.
What's going on in here? Is that a diamond?
Huh? Did you say something?
Nope, nothing to see here.
This day just gets worse. Selfie! I look good. My phone! No! Is it okay? Oh no, it's broken! You can use mine. I don't think so. Wait, I have an idea. How about this? Is this a joke? Hello? Wow, so fancy. It's a classic. What? How dare you? That was so rude. I know what to do. I'll just use my backup phone. You better be careful. That's a good point. I know what to do. I can use my 3D pen. I'll start by drawing around the edge. I need to take my time. I don't want to get any on the camera. Now I can decorate the rest. I'll create a pattern. I'll make random waves. This is looking good. Time to switch colors. I'll draw a love heart. Now I'll fill it in. Pink is the perfect color. That should do it. Wow, I love it. I even made a charm for it. What do you think? It looks good, huh? Whoa, it's better than my phone. Wait, I've got it. My 3D pen won't let me down. I'll draw around a phone template. I just need to follow the lines. It's so easy. That's the basics done. Now I need to add the details. I'll start with the screen. I'll use gray for this. That's the screen finished. I have a good feeling about this. It'll look great. Now for the finishing touches. I'll need apps. It'll be a boring phone without them. Let's speed this up. It's so exciting! Wow! It's perfect! It's just what I need! Take a look at this! It's pretty good, huh? It's amazing! I'm gonna make a call. Give me that! I have a better idea. Watch this. I'll give it a shake. What are you doing? Make it stop! Take a look at this. Whoa! A new phone! I thought you would like that. Thank you! Smile! I can't believe it! This was my favorite set of earrings!
Meg, honey, what's wrong? Don't worry, Mommy's here. What happened?
My earring broke!
Aw, that's such a shame. I'm sorry, sweetie. But I know what to do. How about some chocolate?
Yummy! Why does the universe hate me?
That's a little dramatic. Hold on. I have an idea. I'll place the chocolate on this plate. And I'll take an earring hook. I'll press it into the chocolate. Next, I'll take clear epoxy resin. I'll pour it over the chocolate. I want to cover it. This will form a protective layer over it. That looks good. I need the resin to harden, but I can speed it up. I'll place it into this nail polish dryer. This won't take long. I think it's ready. I'm going to need a matching set. That's more like it. They look good enough to eat. Want to try them on?
Wow, this is so exciting! 2 of my favorite things! Chocolate and fashion! You're the best, Mom! Thanks! Look at these sparkles!
What's going on here? Oh no! Give it here, sweetie! Oh, you can't play with this. It's expensive jewelry.
Looks like he forgot something. Pretty. But something's missing. I know! I'll make a pendant with my 3D pen. A paw print would look awesome with a chain. Let's fill it in more. Now I'll draw the pads on the paw. And a ring to hold it on the chain. My jewelry's ready! Time to try it on.
Sweetie, sorry to upset you. Everything okay? Wow, a new piece of jewelry? Cool!
Pretty, right?
Wait, I've got something too. Look.
Cool!
Just don't tell Mom. I made it myself.
Oh, wow! Crocs! Thanks so much, Daddy!
Anything for you, my joy.
They're comfy. Wow. But look a bit plain. What to do?
Oh gosh!
Cool, right? What's wrong? Don't you like it?
Feet are not for food, sweetie. Oh, I think I know how to fix this. First, we draw this yellow triangle. And make it 3D. Add some white, then yellow again, then white again. Now let's add a little strawberry. Add some patterns, make a small attachment below, and the cake is ready. Let's make a dinosaur and a smiley face too. Attach everything to the crock, like this. And all done. Oh, look!
Wow! Gotta try these on!
Looks super!
You're right! Thanks, Dad! Hey, where's my other hair clip? Where is it? Oh, my beads. And there's the ring. Oh, where are you? Oh, a bracelet. But no hair clip. Dad!
What's up?
I lost my hair clip.
This one? Here you go.
Thanks, Dad. Bye!
Bye. Gosh, this girl always scatters everything. I think I know how to solve this problem. First, let's draw our parts. And make some rainbows for decoration. Great! Let's start with the rainbow. We'll use several different colors, as you should. Now let's outline the clouds. And start on the main structure. Fill it in nicely, like this. Now let's put everything together. Perfect! Add a rainbow on each side, and done!
I'm back!
Hi. Oh, stop! Look, now you can put things here.
Wow!
See how handy? A gift for you.
Aw, thanks!
My mission here is done.
Let's go quick! Look!
Wow, pretty.
Look! A butterfly!
Ooh, I'll catch it.
There it is! Catch it!
Ugh,
Be careful!
come here. Whoa. Oops. Darn.
There! It flew away!
Sorry, I tried. Oh, I know how to fix this. First, we outline the wings. And draw patterns inside. Now make a small ring and attach it to our butterfly. Like this. And this. Turned out cool!
She's gone!
Hey, look!
Wow!
You can wear this as a ring. Ooh, now I'll catch you.
No way! It's my butterfly!
Fine, okay.
Beautiful!
Liked the video? Don't forget to subscribe and give us a like. Share this video with your friends. See you next time. Bye-bye.